Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be working on the 335i again. In today's video we're going to be taking off the front bumper, the fender, and if we have time we'll probably get to the suspension damage. So let's stop talking and get to work. Bumper is finally off. I was struggling here with the connections. They were stuck together, but finally got it out. Let's move the bumper out the way. And now let's get this fender out. To get that little last bolt out from the fender, this one right here, I think I was supposed to take off the side skirt, but I ended up not taking it. I just ended up like wiggling my hand through and like twisting it off and came off. So now that's what the car is looking like. Got the fender off, the bumper. I'm probably gonna try to get this out. I guess it just came out. Yeah, try to clean all this out real quick and see if I have some damage here. I'm pretty sure I do, because that right there looks pushed back. So I'm gonna set you guys on time lapse and see what we can find. Get the remaining of the light out, and then this right here, I think it's a part of the radiator support. I was pushed it back a little bit further, so I tried to pull it out and I think it's back in place now. I'm not really sure, but we're just gonna have to see. Right now everything is looking kind of good, so let's get the wheel out and look what kind of suspension damage. Okay, so as you can see, we got the wheel out and we got some coolant leaking whenever I lift it up. And then look what we got here. Just what I needed, some oil leaking. But anyways, so for the suspension, we got this little piece right here that's broken off of here. And then this one right here that is bent. And I think that's it. At least I hope that's it. But we'll just go ahead and place orders for those parts and we'll see how they go. Okay guys, so I was able to squeeze under the car to show you where the oil is coming from, and I think it's coming from here, from the oil pan gasket, because you see the gasket, that gasket is not supposed to look like this. This gasket is supposed to be all flush in there and it's not supposed to stick out like that. But yeah, I think that's all I need to switch out, is buy a new gasket and switch it out. But as I came down here, I can see that there is a sensor right here, and there's these wires that are disconnected out of it. They're like just cut. So we're probably gonna have to look into that too. I think it should be easy to do, is just rewire them again. but I don't know what that sensor is for, so probably gonna do some research on what that sensor is for and connect him back. And yeah. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next video. Just remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.